Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing two products from Locsanity. I told myself at the beginning of my lock journey that I was only going to use Sisterlocks approved products, but never say never. Here I am using Locsanity. So the first product I am going to be reviewing is the Locsanity Scalp Soothing and Conditioning Spray. It has cinnamon, mint, and eucalyptus in it, and it's for all dreadlocks and loose hair types. I've tried it a couple of times, and I'm gonna say I'm not impressed with it. I know a lot of lock stars, they like to use Locsanity. I saw this in a Facebook group that someone was praising or giving high praises to this product. I'm just gonna say meh, it's okay. It does help with the itching. Okay, so let me tell you guys what it has in it. It has mint extract, it has cinnamon extract, and peppermint essential oil. It is a watery consistency. It's very, very light. It is sticky to me. When I sprayed it in my locks, it does give a tacky feeling, I guess. I had to wash my hands after messing around with my hair with the product inside my hair. So that's one thing that I did not like about it. Also, the smell. Someone said that it did smell good. It smells like mouthwash to me. It smells like mouthwash. Now, not like Listerine or anything like that. If you've ever been in a hospital and had to stay overnight at a hospital, I have, because I've had children, so I had to stay overnight. But you know that little bottle of mouthwash that they give you, you know, the complimentary mouthwash, that's how it smells. So don't come at me in the comments, but this smells exactly like that mouthwash that they give to you in the hospitals. Maybe it's me. If you guys think or feel otherwise, comment down below. But to me, it smells like mouthwash. And I did not want to go around all day smelling like mouthwash, which I did just to, you know, try out the product. But yeah, that mouthwash smell is not, yeah, the mouthwash smell is not happening. So I do not like that. It did dissipate the itching some. I don't go through a lot of itching like I did at the beginning of my journey. So I don't know why I bought this. I just wanted to spend money, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, it does sort of kind of soothe my scalp. It sort of kind of soothes the itching. It's nothing like Sea Breeze. Now, I love me some Sea Breeze. If you don't know what Sea Breeze is and you're new to the lock journey, it will help you get through your itchy phase. It most certainly will. But so I would give this product maybe a 6 out of 10, maybe, only because the smell, I just cannot walk around smelling like mouthwash all day. That's just not me. So a 6 out of 10 for the Locsanity Scalp Soothing Spray. Also, another thing that I don't like is the actual sprayer. When I spray it in my hair, it doesn't give me a fine mist like, you know, the rose water spray or like your mister. If you guys have the mister that gives you guys that continuous spray, this comes out in like squirts. So maybe a clump of liquid will get here and some here. Is not an even consistency, which I don't like. So if they put maybe a better spray nozzle on here, maybe this would help it. But other than that, I would give this a 6 out of 10. I bought these products with my own money just to try out, so this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so the next product that I have from Locsanity is one of their most popular products, and it is the Daily Moisturizing Spray. And it has rose water and peppermint oil in it. And it does smell like peppermint. It doesn't smell like, it does not smell like the mouthwash. It is a pepperminty smell, which I can't appreciate. Now with this product, I sprayed it on my locks. With the other product, I sprayed it on my scalp, okay? So this does moisturize my hair. This did give my hair moisture. I can say it did a little bit better than my regular rose water. I think it did. It also gave it a nice little sheen. Maybe I'm tripping, but when I use this, my hair just maybe looked shinier than when I would use regular rose water. So that is a good thing about that. It is also a little sticky. It's thicker than the scalp treatment, but yeah, it is sticky. So if you are using this in your hair and you're rubbing your hands through your hair, you will need to wash your hands because it has a tacky feeling on it. All in all, I think I would buy this product again. Nozzle, I don't like the nozzle because again, it doesn't give me a continuous even spray on my locks. If I were to buy this product again, or just now, I would just pour this into my 360 mixer. So again, the nozzle I do not like on these things. I think that once I'm done with the video, I'm gonna go ahead and empty out the contents of this bottle and put it inside my 360 mister. So I'll be doing that because I just cannot get down with this nozzle. I would give this product an 8 out of 10. I will most definitely purchase this product again. I like it, the smell is good. The only thing I just don't like about it is the spray nozzle and how tacky it can get on my locks. Now it won't cause buildup, I think, but yeah, this is something you can spray every day. So yes, I know that you can get these products on Amazon. I didn't actually buy these products from Amazon. I got it from the actual Locsanity company. Okay, so the Soothing Scalp Conditioning Spray was about $20. And the Rose Water Peppermint Spray was about $15, $16. So they're not too expensive. They're not the cheapest around, but I can see myself purchasing them. Well, the peppermint spray again. All right, guys, so that is it for today. That is my quick video on my review on Locsanity products. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried it and how you liked it. And if not, do you plan on trying it? All right, thank you so much, guys. Bye.